Hey, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday with Youth Pastor Matt. We're going to try a couple different things from the Chinese store. First, I'm going to read a Bible verse. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Hope that encourages you today. So let's get into this. I got my friend Colin here.
Hi.
We're going to try some of these.
Mochi.
A little bit of mochi.
Strawberry, kiwi, and mango flavored.
Which one are you going to try?
Strawberry.
You're not going to be brave?
No, I'm going strawberry.
Child-proof. I got it, bro.
When the child's the only one that can open them.
It looks like there's gunk in the middle. I'm going for this one. Ooh, they're
It's mochi.
kind of gross feeling. Kind of.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You going all in?
Hold on.
Ooh, I don't like that.
That's weird.
Mine's growing in my mouth. Kind of tastes like feet.
Kind of tastes like gum that's been sitting out for hours.
I don't think I liked it. You want to try one of these?
Nope.
I thought you said you were going to try all of them.
Not
One's
after the
enough.
strawberry.
How about a half? Nope.
I'm taking your word for it.
But we got something fancy to wash it down with. Some Thai tea drink. What do you think this is going to taste like?
I still got the strawberry.
Ooh, that looks like rusty water. Y'all see this? It's the same color as the can, dude.
Yeah, it's chai tea.
Okay, what do you think this is going to be like?
Honey.
Oh, don't smell it. Okay.
Guess it's too bad for you.
Here we go. Down the hatch.
Oh, it's actually not that bad. Never mind. You get the flavor. You get the flavor after 2 drinks.
All right. Well, that was it. See you next Tuesday.